guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am very excited because I am making underwater volcano. Today my sister is seeing my underwater volcano. I am telling you the things. Three cups, this and 10 ml water and some baking soda and some citric acid and some red food colorings. If you don't have test tube, you can use any clear beaker. We need 20 ml vegetable oil also. Now we will start the experiment. First I'll put 10 ml water in this. Then some food color. And only 2 drops. 1 drop. 2 drops. Now you can see some red color. Now I'll put baking soda in the funnel. Shake it all. Now I'll put 20 ml vegetable oil in this. Now I'll put citric acid with the funnel. See the underwater bubbles. Whoa. Can you see the underwater volcano? Did you like the experiment? Please like, subscribe and comment. Please make this little experiment at your home.